fucking tree ain't covering shit.
Got him. He's out.
I think we're both done here.
He's out. Stay there, mate. Go on. It's on. Move to the next tree line. Stay low.
There's one in the front. Oh, bastard. Can you all see him?
Nope. They're all in the tree line.
They're straight there, look.
Oh, hang on.
He's straight there.
He's gone.
He's gone now?
Got him.
He's not gone.
Yeah, he's gone. He's walking. He's walking off. Unless you got another.
He's further in front. Can't get him. He's behind the bollard.
Where?
Straight in front. Look, see his eyes. For the hole. See it?
Oh, yeah. Reload him.
Yeah, by the tree. Bring him down tree. It's fine.
Right, I'm moving to the next guy.
Yeah, you're just gonna keep getting.
Just give us a bit of... Come on, take your fucking hit. Yeah, thank you. Take over. Oh, glad you can join us. There's one guy behind that barricade down there. Well, there was. I don't know if he is now because I've been reloading, so I haven't seen. Go on, let's see. Let's look for the movement. See it? Good work, we're moving up.
Oh, here, very short. Down that tree. Got my baby.
Yeah. Joe, you got any BBs on your .2s?
Yeah.
Quick reload. Oh, brand new bag. Oh. Spoiled, mate. Go on, you do it. I ain't a fucking slave.
Oh, quick. Please don't do it. So I can bucket. We're going to move on to the next thing.
Alright, cup your hand. Now, touch my balls. No, these balls, not my balls.
Did we beat their time?
I'll turn it back. Yep, they're in range. They're in range.
They're going to be waiting on the right side.
You take it, Steve. You call out any targets? See anything? Mind yourself, don't stay too long.
In the ditch.
Right,
That's all
okay.
I can see.
Just keep moving up the line, that's all we can do. Keep the line moving up! Bring the line up! Bring the line up! Last man, bring the line up!
Behind the ball, move!
Come on, by the ball, move! Keep it going! Save us the walk! Bring that line up! Bring it up closer! Come on, last man! Bring the line up! Keep the line tight! Move together! Come on, guys! We'll do a 3, 2, 1 and we'll move! Get yourselves ready! 3, 2, 1! Move yourselves! Keep the line going! Bring the line up! Move the line up! Keep it going! Come on, guys! Keep the line up! That's it! Keep it going! Go, guys! Another one! 3, 2, 1, move! Reloading! Keep it going, guys! Move the line up! Call your targets, point them out! Right, guys, another push! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Hit! Keep the line moving! Keep it going! That's it! Come on, guys, move the line up! Come on, another push! 3, 2, 1, move the line! Move the line! Keep it going, don't stop! That's it! Keep it rolling! Keep the line moving, come on, guys! Come on, guys, move the line up! Go left! Push up the line! Come on, push up! Push up! Come on, guys! Push up the line! Keep it moving! Well done, guys. Good work. We'll move together. Guys, keep the line tight. The tighter the line is, the quicker we'll move. Because the quicker he'll catch up with us. Keep it going, they're a lot further down.
Oh, yeah, I see them. But they are well out of range.
Keep it going.
Right, I see him.
3, 2, 1, push your line. Two at my 12. Bring the line closer! Bring the line in! Go on, guys! Bring the line in! Bring it in! Come on, guys!
Yes.
Move the line up!
There's one left.
There's one. There he is, look. Black top. Second tree on the right. Yeah, I'll plant it. There. See his elbow?
Yeah, I've got eyes on.
Okay. Eyes on target.
I don't.
Nice one. Come on.
Surely one of. Yeah, that's got
That's it. Nice one. Move the line up. Come on, guys. Move the line up. 3, 2, 1. Come on, move the line up.
He's there. Then back off out of it.
Move the line. Come on, guys.
Thank you.
Come on, guys. 3, 2, 1. Move. Go. Go on, guys! They're on the other side of the bridges! Well done, guys!